Hi, I'm meteorologist Tony Petrarca in the Pinpoint 12 Forecast Center. You've clicked on the Weather Now link on this Monday evening at about 9:30. Fairly quiet, clouds on the increase, tracking some precipitation just offshore right in here. We're going to watch this. Some of this may try to clip the south shore tomorrow morning. So we have a few showers in the forecast for Tuesday. Just think the better chance for showers would come on Wednesday. All right, let's get right to the tropics. This is the big news, unfortunately. Major Hurricane Franklin out here in the southwest Atlantic, winds of 150 miles per hour, and soon to be Hurricane Idalia on the west coast, on the western tip of Cuba, heading a beeline towards the Florida west coast over the next couple of days. I mean, look at this storm. This is Franklin, well-defined eye, winds at 150 miles per hour. Now, this storm is going to stay off the east coast, fortunately, but it will throw back some building surf, waves, and swells and rip currents along the east coast and area beaches over the next couple of days. We'll show you that in just a second. But to draw our attention to the storm that's going to have a direct impact, unfortunately, on the U.S. mainland, and this is what will soon be Hurricane Idalia. Areas in red, hurricane warning from Tampa points north towards the Big Bend of Florida. This is the west coast, Gulf of Mexico. Tropical storm warning south of Tampa. There's the storm right in here in the western tip of Cuba. So it makes its landfall, the center of the storm, by early on Wednesday morning, but the impacts are going to be felt long before that. But it makes landfall Cat 3 storm, major hurricane near Cedar Key. Now, everything to the right-hand side of the track, if this in fact pans out, this particular forecast track, big storm surge. All this water being pushed along the coastline from Tampa points north, significant storm surge, and that's one of the most dangerous parts of the hurricane. It eventually peels back out over the Atlantic late in the week as a tropical storm. So what's interesting is that this position here, it may throw back some big waves once again towards our south shore. There's really two chances for significant surf and rip currents. The most obvious one would be from Franklin as it passes well offshore, and you can see this wave energy. Whoops, let me try that again. These swells propagating towards the New England coastline, especially centered on Wednesday. And then as Idalia tracks offshore, off the Carolina coastline later in the week, Friday and Saturday, it may throw back some heavy surf as well. So again, dangerous rip currents are likely at area beaches over the next several days. In the meantime, it's a quiet evening. Temps are in the upper 60s. We look at Providence now as of 9:30, almost 10 o'clock, mostly cloudy, dry, no precipitation yet. So a few showers on Tuesday. Just feel as though most of the day will be dry, but some passing showers, especially towards the south shore. Showers likely on Wednesday, a higher chance, heavy at times, even a few thunderstorms. And then we're going to watch for that strong midweek surf and swells and rip currents, specifically late Tuesday and on into Wednesday and into Thursday. For Tuesday morning, mostly cloudy, a passing shower, better chance along the south shore. Temperatures in the upper 60s to lower 70s by 11 a.m. Mostly cloudy Tuesday, though wouldn't surprise me to see a little partial sun. We're going to go with about a 40% chance of a passing shower. Just think most of the time it's dry. Temperatures in the lower to middle 70s. Looking at the beach forecast, mainly cloudy, chance of a few showers, air temperature at 73, surf running 3 to 4 feet. However, these waters are going to get dangerous Tuesday evening, Tuesday night, and especially Wednesday and Thursday. More than likely, thinking the weather services will be issuing rip current statements and high surf advisories for our coast. Not in effect yet, but probably will get issued. Bay forecast Tuesday, some patchy fog in the morning, a few scattered showers from time to time, but again, there'll be some dry weather as well. So I don't think this is a kind of a washout, but that chance is there for a few passing showers. Any showers that do come through, visibility briefly reduced to 1 to 3 miles. So wrapping it up, a few showers Tuesday, better chance on Wednesday. Surf and rip currents and waves building late Tuesday, especially Wednesday and into Thursday.